In this video we will be talking about how to use the align command in AutoCAD. So you need to open up your student edit commands worksheet, make sure the student layer is broadcasting, make sure your ortho is off, and make sure that your object snap is off. Then let's zoom into or roll into the align portion of the worksheet. So what align does is it allows you to move an object, such as this purple colored object here, move it and rotate it to a new position without knowing the original position and rotation, or without knowing the destination angles or rotation. So let's type in align, and we're going to select our object. So I'm going to use a crossing window and then just get these last two right here. And then, just like in many of the other commands in AutoCAD, I have to tell it when I'm done selecting objects, and I can do that by hitting enter or right clicking. And then it's going to ask me my first source point. Let's type in END for endpoint and click. Is it going to let me do it that way? Yep. Click right there, and then I'll go END for the second one. Click right there. Right, now it's asking for my second, and instead of typing END, we can go shift right click and we can go to endpoint, and then we'll go shift right click and go to endpoint, and then it's going to ask me for my third one, so I can type END. I'm typing it incorrectly, that's the problem. END, there we go. And here's our first one, and then I'll go END and get the second one. And then it moves it to that spot and rotates it to that new angle. And then we'll demonstrate it here one more time. Spacebar brings me back into the align command. This is just all one object, so we'll hit click on it, and I right click to say I'm done selecting. Now I'm going to go to my center option. Click on the center of that one. Center option, which is shift right click, and go to that one. Then it asks me for my second one. I'm going to go END this time, type it, and then I'll go END and click the second. Whoop, didn't get it right. END, there we go, and click on it, because there's an endpoint under those center points as well. And then we'll hit enter, and then it asks us, do we want to scale the object? Says scale objects based on alignment points. We'll go no, and there it is. Now I didn't get it quite right here, so let's redo that. We'll show it one more time. So I'll go align, click on the object, right click to say I'm done selecting objects, hold the shift key, right click, go center one, shift key right click, center second one, shift key right click, center, and shift key right click center, and then we hit enter and enter, and there it is. That's how you use the align command in AutoCAD.